चंद्राबाबू नायडू को इससे सबक हासिल करना चाहिए और हम चंद्राबाबू नायडू को ये बता रहे हैं कि मैं आंध्र प्रदेश को आऊँगा, मैं आंध्र प्रदेश जाऊँगा। चंद्राबाबू नायडू साहब, आपने हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में, हैदराबाद में, तेलंगाना में आकर बड़ी बड़ी सभाएं की। अब हम जब तेलंगाना आंध्रा में जाएंगे चंद्राबाबू नायडू, तो आप देखना रिएक्शन कैसा होगा। और आप इस बात को नोट कर लीजिए कि 25 लोकसभा सीट में से इंशाल्लाह 2 लोकसभा की सीट पर भी चंद्रबाबू नायडू कामयाब नहीं होगा। वहां की एंटी इनकम्बेंसी इनको बर्बाद कर देगी। और ये जो बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहे थे कि सो कॉल्ड सेटलर, अरे भाई ये सेटलर नहीं है, तेलंगाना के लोग हैं। उनका यकीनन कुछ कनेक्शन होगा आंध्रा से, मगर उन्होंने देख लिया कि वहां पर चंद्रबाबू नायडू बदनाम है, लोग बेजार हैं उनसे। उसका रिफ्लेक्शन यहाँ पे है और यही नतीजा आप देखेंगे आंध्रा में भी आएगा। और मैं आखिर में चंद्रबाबू नायडू और उनके चमचों से कहना चाहूँगा कि अब आप सबक हासिल कर लीजिए। आप जो विस्पर कैंपेन, आप जो पैसों के बलबूते पर जो 100 करोड़ रुपया आपने तेलंगाना में खर्च किया, तेलंगाना की आवाम ने आपके हुरूर को चिकनाचूर कर दिया और आपको मट्ठी चका दिया। और यही इंशाअल्लाह ताला आंध्र प्रदेश के आवाम चंद्रबाबू नायडू से करने जा रही है।
Sir, despite a win for the
leaders have lost elections, sir, including Revanth Reddy and several other senior Congress leaders have lost election here.
When I was telling you from last 30 days that TRS will form a government, I had told you in our private conversations that this is going to happen. Many of my journalist friends were very skeptical. In fact, some of them even laughed at my face. But this has proven to be true. This has come true because people of Telangana have solely backed TRS, and they know that here you have a leader who has not only delivered, but this verdict is for K. Chandrasekhar Rao to take this forward. And I hope that Chandrasekhar Rao realizes, KCR realizes that he should not now limit himself to Telangana only. He has a very, very large national role to play, and I'm sure that with the governance model he has given in Telangana, he will definitely do wonders, and this is the way to take forward. And Congress parties, yes, important leaders have lost their elections. It is their arrogance, and where, for example, why did they take Madam Sonia Gandhi to Mitchell? 90,000 was the majority over there. Rahul Gandhi went wherever Rahul Gandhi has gone. In Telangana, Congress party has lost. So that is why I say that people of Telangana have decided not only for this election, but for the parliament election, 17 seats, including the Hyderabad parliament seat, will be won by MIM and the remaining 16 by TRS. BJP, important leaders of BJP have lost. The BJP president has lost. What will now Yogi say? What will now Yogi say? What will Mr. Amit Shah say? What will the Prime Minister Modi say? Look at the language. People of Telangana have rejected the pathetic, unparliamentary language that was used by the Congress leaders and by the BJP. This is what people of Telangana has said loudly and clearly by exercising the right to vote. And I must commend the police force. I must thank the ECI for having peaceful elections. Not a single incident took place. And it is also high time that all these opponents of MIM, who are nothing but paid electoral agents, should realize that their utility is finished now once and for all. And this time they have been shown the door properly.